guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious seafood egg rolls. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some crab meat and I have some shrimp. I did went ahead and season the shrimp with my green seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, and black pepper. I have here some parsley, onions, bell peppers, some mayonnaise. I have garlic powder, complete seasoning, black pepper, and I have 1 egg here. I will be using this salmon cake mix. I usually use the crab cake mix, but they didn't have it at the store. And I have here my egg roll wrappers. So first things first, we are going to cook the shrimp. I did went in with about 1 tablespoon of oil. And now I'll add the shrimp and I'll allow the shrimp to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. And I will, occasionally go in and stir them around. After about 6 minutes, we will now remove the shrimp and proceed to the next step. Now, using a food processor, I will go ahead and chop the shrimp. We don't want to add the shrimp whole as it is into an egg roll. So I'll go ahead and chop them up, and then we'll move on with the next step. But if you don't have a food processor, guys, you can just do this by hand with a knife. You can chop the shrimp up into smaller pieces, and when you're done, this is how it should be looking. Now we'll go ahead and get our filling ready by combining the shrimp and the crab meat. We will mix it all in. Then we'll add our bell peppers, onions, and parsley. We will also start adding our seasonings here, but I will not add a lot of seasonings because the salmon cake mix has seasonings in it, and you don't want to overpower the dish. I also had seasoned my shrimp, so that has seasonings in it also, and you don't want to make the dish too salty by adding too much seasonings. So after we've added our seasonings, our salmon cake mix, the last thing we will add is our mayonnaise. We will mix that in, and then we'll proceed to the next step. So for this step, you will need your egg wash, a brush, your egg roll wrappers, and of course your filling. So now what we'll do is go ahead and place our filling right in the middle. You can add as much or as little as you like. And once you're done adding your filling, we'll go ahead and start, adding our egg wash on the 4 edges of the egg roll wrap. And then we'll just roll it up. And when you start rolling it, like halfway through, you will just place the 2 sides inwards so that the egg rolls can be properly sealed and there's no holes or anything left out. And that's how easy and simple it is, guys, to make these egg rolls, and they are so delicious. So what I'll do is just go ahead and show you guys one more before I, head over to the stove and start frying them. And, I am using 2 egg rolls here. I just put 2 together because I noticed that they are very thin. And, you kind of feel like you're just eating filling sometimes when the egg rolls are so thin. So to add texture to them, I just add 2 and roll them up. And that's it, guys. This one I will turn to the other side so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing and the technique that I'm using. Once you're done, this is how it should be looking. I got 8 egg rolls from that amount of filling. Now let's make a quick dipping sauce for our egg rolls. Here I have some sriracha hot sauce. I have some spicy brown mustard. I have some sweet chili sauce, some Texas Pete hot sauce, and some mayonnaise. Basically, we are just adding all of these ingredients to a small mixing bowl and mix until well combined. I will be leaving the correct measurements down in my description box. Here in my preheated oil, I will now add my egg rolls. I will add 3 at a time just to not overcrowd the pot. And we will let this fry until they are golden brown. We will go in and give them a little flip so that they can cook evenly on all sides. And I do have my heat on medium just so I will not burn the egg rolls. They cook pretty fast, so you don't want to burn them. And once they are all golden brown like so, we will now go ahead and remove the egg rolls. We'll remove them and sit them on a draining rack so that they will not, sit in their own oil and become soggy. So we'll let them hang out and then we'll carry on with the same process. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious seafood egg roll. It is absolutely amazing and it is so simple and easy to make. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try. And if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!